Did you know fatty liver can be reduced by 50% in just 14 days? Yes, science has proven it. But the surprising part is it's not about eating less, it's about eating right. This is a very interesting topic. A research on fatty liver has come forward, which says that in just 14 days, fatty liver can be reduced up to 50%. In this study, a group of people were put on a low-carbohydrate or ketogenic diet, where they were allowed to eat less than 30 grams of carbohydrates per day. Their total calories were not reduced. There was no calorie deficit, only the carbohydrates were reduced. The results showed that liver fat decreased by 43.8%. There was a clear reduction in liver fat. It was also found that if ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting are combined, then liver fat can be reduced by up to 50%. To explain this in simple words, carbohydrates mean starch. For example, bread made from refined flour, potatoes, pizza, crackers, pasta, sugar, rice, all these are carbohydrates. And these are simple carbohydrates, not complex. This means they quickly turn into sugar in the body. The study also found some other interesting points. In these 2 weeks, the weight of the participants did not reduce much. Weight loss was only around 1.8%, and waistline also did not change much. This is interesting because if you follow a ketogenic diet, the results you expect like weight loss may not appear in 2 weeks. The waistline will not shrink so fast, and you might feel disappointed and quit the keto diet. But you should not quit. You may feel the diet is not working, but actually the body gives priority to reducing liver fat first, and then later moves to burning other fats, and then weight loss starts. This is called decreased de novo lipogenesis. In this process, the liver usually turns non-fat sources like carbohydrates and proteins into fat. But when you don't eat carbs and your diet changes, de novo lipogenesis reduces by about 79.8%. This process slows down. New fat is not formed. New fatty acids are not produced. At the same time, the real fat-burning process called fatty acid oxidation increases up to 5 times. If you also start exercise with this diet, the effect becomes double. So here, fat formation decreases and fat burning increases at the same time. Some more interesting findings came forward. The participants' fasting insulin decreased. Insulin sensitivity improved. Insulin resistance became less. And all this happened without going into calorie deficit. There was also a reduction in liver inflammation. Another point, folate-producing bacteria increased in their gut. These are friendly bacteria, part of our gut microbiome, such as Streptococcus, E. coli, Lactobacillus. New strains of these bacteria appeared in the body. Folate, vitamin B9, supports liver detoxification, metabolism, and bile production. It improves liver function. Because of fatty liver, inflammation happens, but folate helps repair the DNA of damaged cells at the inflammation site. It also helps new cells to form. So fat metabolism improves, and this can also be seen in blood tests. On ketogenic diet, folate levels in blood are usually higher. Now let's summarize this information. We should avoid bad carbohydrates. Eat complex carbs, not simple carbs. Eat no more than 30 grams carbs per day. Avoid vegetable cooking oils, sugar, starch, bakery items. Cook food at home with clean ingredients. Do exercise. Even a simple walk is enough to start and then gradually increase. By doing this, your bad cholesterol will be controlled. Your blood sugar will be controlled. Your weight will reduce, and fatty liver will be reversed. So don't lose hope if you don't see quick weight loss. Remember, healing starts inside the liver first. Stay consistent, and results will follow. If you found this video useful, share it with your loved ones. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Stay healthy, stay strong.